Hello students, now this is a factual question. If we look at list 1, we have the processes, and list 2 comprises of catalysts used in those processes. So we need to match the correct catalyst to the correct process. So if we look, the answer is C. How? This is a brief description of the processes over here. Deacon's process is used for industrial preparation of chlorine gas. The equation is HCl plus O2 gives C in the presence of CuCl2 as a catalyst. It gives H2O plus Cl2, and the contact process is used for the industrial preparation of sulfuric acid, and V2O5 as a catalyst is involved in the process. So the answer is sulfuric acid, and V2O5 is the catalyst. Now, vegetable oil has something like a structure like this. When it reacts with a hydrogen, that is, we hydrogenate the vegetable oil in the presence of nickel, we get this structure. And when we are talking about crackling of hydrogen or hydrocarbons, ZSM5 is used as a catalyst, which gives us a crackling products, that is, a sound of crackling in them. Thank you.